Hi everyone, welcome back to Explorer Alicia. And today we are going to explore Kalyana Venkateshwara Temple, Srinivasa Mangapuram, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Well, I have been to Tirumala Tirupati many times, but today we will explore the Sri Kalyana Venkateshwar temple located in the Tirupati district. As we were going to this temple, we could see the Tirumala hills that looked like the face of Lord Vishnu. According to local beliefs and legends, the seven hills of Tirumala are not just ordinary mountains, they are said to form the shape of Lord Vishnu lying down, also known as Ananda Shayana posture. Some devotees say that the rocks and curves of the hills even resemble the face of Lord Venkateshwara, with natural formations that look like eyes, nose, and forehead. It feels like Lord Vishnu himself is resting on earth. Now we reach the temple. If you are visiting Tirupati and want to experience peace, devotion, and history all in one place, the Kalyana Venkateshwara temple at Srinivasa Mangapuram is a must see. Located just 12 km from Tirupati, this temple is not only beautiful but also deeply spiritual. It is believed that those who are unable to have darshan of Tirupati Balaji at Tirumala can have a peaceful darshan here and can also buy Balaji's laddu. The temple is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India and maintained by Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. The story behind the temple is after marrying goddess Padmavati, Lord Venkateshwara didn't return to Tirumala right away. Instead, he stayed at the ashram of sage Agastya in Srinivasa Mangapuram for 6 months. This place later became the Pavitra temple we know today. Because of this, the temple is especially important for newlyweds. Many couples come here to seek blessings for a happy married life. It's considered the second most holy temple after the famous Tirumala temple. Those who can't climb the Tirumala hills often visit here to get similar blessings. The main deity is Lord Kalyana Venkateshwara, a form of Lord Vishnu. He stands facing east, holding a chakra and shank, and blessing devotees with his other hands. Temple timings are 5:30 am to evening 7:30 pm every day of the week. This makes it easy for devotees to visit at any time during the day. The temple celebrates many festivals like Brahmotsav, Vaikuntha Ekadasi. Daily rituals include Suprabhatam, Archana, Aarti, and even special sevas like Abhishekam for devotees who want a deeper spiritual experience. How to reach? It's easy to reach by road from Tirupati. Many buses and taxis go to Srinivasa Mangapuram. The temple is peaceful and less crowded than Tirumala, making it perfect for quiet prayers and reflection. Whether you are newly married or simply seeking divine blessings, the Kalyana Venkateshwara temple offers a unique blend of history, devotion, and purity. It's a place where love and faith come together beautifully. Some rules we have to follow. Photography is not allowed inside the temple premises. Mobile phones should be kept on silent mode to maintain the peaceful atmosphere. Talking on the phone or using it during darshan is not allowed. Dress code for men: dhoti, pant shirt is allowed, and for women, saris with blouse, half sari, salwar kameez or Punjabi dress with dupatta, chudidar with dupatta is allowed. And guys, I also made a video about that temple where Lord Vishnu got married to goddess Lakshmi. I have provided the link to that video in the description. Parking area near the temple entrance suitable for cars, vans and two-wheelers. Usually free of charge. And guys, in my next video, we will explore Sri Kapaleshwarar Swami Temple, Tirupati. I have put lots of efforts to collect the data from various sources and I have given the source link in the description. I request to subscribe and comment on my videos so that my efforts will reach to lots of people.